Hey y'all, so the UPS man just came and dropped off my Hello Happy surprise. So I'm so excited to unpackage it with you guys. So I just cut the top off so I could peek in there real quick and let's open it together. I'm super excited. Okay, so there is a brand new fall catalog in there. I hope that if you ordered Hello Happy, that you will take a look at this awesome fall catalog. It is amazing. It's one of my favorites that we've had. So, okay, here we go. There is a giving back. I'm talking about rounding up your order with 31. All right. Let's see, a thank you card from 31. All right, and here is our Hello Happy bag. Let's open this up. Here is a little card that we have each month. Start each month with a heaping of happy. Discover something amazing with every delivery and let each surprise encourage you to let your inner light shine. After all, it's what's inside that counts. Cute little card. And then on the back, it talks about being kind. If you can be anything, be kind. Kindness is one of the greatest gifts we can give one another. Kindness is not waiting for a thank you or expecting a reward in return. Kindness starts with you. Imagine what could happen if we offered just one more warm embrace, one more encouraging word, one more helping hand today. Kindness is always beautiful. I love that. And what I love too about Hello Happy is you could send it to someone. You could order it and ship it to someone as a surprise. And just a little bit of kindness to someone. Maybe somebody's had surgery, and they're recovering, or, maybe someone's sick, or maybe if somebody, they may have lost a loved one and they just need a little bit of uplifting. Just imagine what this Hello Happy could do for them. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Here we go. A cute little owl bag. Super cute. This is part of our timeless memory pouches that we have at Christmas time. You can cinch these up just like this, and you could use it as like a little gift wrap bag. All right, let's open it up. What's in here? All right, so let's open this goodness in here. All right, so first there is a key fob. Super cute. I love the theme. The color scheme is like this berry color. It's so pretty. This says kindness is always beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see, my lighting is probably not the best, but this is so fun. I love our key fobs. These are great to hook your hook your keys, hook them on your keys. You can hook it around this little claw right here, and you can even put this on your wrist if you need to carry your keys with you. If your wrist does not fit through here, all you have to do is just kind of open this up, and it's bigger. This little section is actually bigger, and you can fit your wrist maybe through that section. These are great just to hook on in your purse. That way you don't lose your keys. This would even be something great to give as like a stocking stuffer, or just a little extra gift for someone. So the key fob is in there. Ooh, then our letters from London. Who remembers this from a few years ago? Probably, I would say fall of 2015, I think is when this came out. So, when it came out the first time with 31. And now they've brought it back. Look how cute. So this is adorable. This is made in, this is our crushed berry pebble. You open it up here, and then it folds down, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little window right here. You could put your driver's license in here if you needed to. There's also this little bottom section to keep things in here too. So if you're a business owner maybe, or you could put your business cards in here. If you need to carry just something small with you, you could put your driver's license in here, and then maybe one or two credit or debit cards in here. Super fun. All right, so that is the letters from London. I'm so excited over this one. And then the next one is a foldaway tote. This says kindness is always beautiful. So who remembers those foldaway totes from this past catalog season? They were so fun. Okay, so what it is this is a tote. It's a tote. It's adorable. I love this color scheme. It's like a berry, like a, I don't even know what kind of pink that is. It's not really pink. It's kind of like I'm not really sure, a blue. Okay, this is so cute. All right, so what you do with the foldaway tote is you're going to push the whole bag inside this little icon right here. Okay, so what you do, or how I do it, is I put my two thumbs right here on the outside. Put my 2 thumbs right there. And then I just push the bag in there. Here we go. And then once you're done, you cinch it up like this. You push the bead down, and now you have your little foldaway tote. It says kindness is always beautiful still. So this is really great to keep in your car if you need a bag. I mean, we're here and we're there, and we just need a bag. Sometimes we have a lot of things in our car. You know, the kids bring stuff, and we just need a little bag. This is great for that. Also great for groceries, light groceries, nothing really, really heavy, but this is so fun. So this is your September Hello Happy. So if you enjoyed this, I hope that you will consider getting one next month. I know I'm probably going to be getting one every month, and doing a video for you guys just so I want to see what's in there. I don't want to miss out on anything. And I love the element of surprise because they didn't even tell us consultants what was in there. So it was a complete surprise for us. So I hope that you love your Hello Happy and your new catalog. So please subscribe to my channel. And if you do not have a consultant, I hope that you would let me be your consultant. Please join my customer group on Facebook. I'll link it below. Make sure you answer the 2 questions, and then I'll send you a private message, and we'll get you added to my group. So have a great day. Hello Happy.